guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm going to give you a short synopsis of my life. Not kidding. I'm going to show you how to be minimalistic and how I do it. Basically all you see is what you get of what I have. Get rid of stuff. I own this necessities that people have in bins like that. Stuff because it means you have to take care of more. Try a lot of clothes on if you don't know if they fit. It's a big one. And just keep organized and fold things. Golly, it's not that hard. So if it doesn't belong somewhere, put it somewhere where it belongs. It just keeps everything organized and complete. Try not to replace it once you get rid of stuff. So once you buy something, you don't want to replace it with something unless you need it. Okay, y'all, so again, I'm going to be going through my closet, except this time, clothing. Focus on what you haven't worn in the past week. You don't have to have 40 pants to have a variety in your closet. You could have 4 jeans, all of different colors, and you'd be way more happier that way. Also, I wanted to mention I'm going to be moving. If y'all really like this minimalistic video, then I will be doing more in the future. If you do like this video, if not, then, well, don't do anything.